want to create extern function for updating the processed flag. So first, let's create a function. Okay. Extern update process flag. This is the process flag command which I will link. Okay. I go back to my form command. I say add. So it's going to ask me, activation will be a new session. Will it be a function? Will it be a business method or a menu? So in my case, it is function. I need to write the function name. So we have already declared a function extern. We can use it. Update process flag. And the command type will be form command. So you can select form command and say finish. So if you see, this is how your properties would appear. Here you can label the form command. So I'm just quickly creating a new label called processed. So again, the label should be relevant, txtrn 3501.001, a new label for this session, process orders. As soon as you create the label for form command, the context automatically goes to form command and say finish. So the label has come. And here there are some additional properties, like how you want to make the, should command be available always, or should it be available only at selection of single record, and all of that you can give. And you can also give some other execution commands here, that if suppose multiple records are selected, how you want to implement this command. So for me, I will, if suppose I select 5 orders, then I want to update the process flag for 5 orders. So I will select this, that this command should be executed for every occurrence. Okay, these are the activation and execution you can provide, and you can save it. So anything you code under this function will be executed at the press of this command. So
Okay.
under source, you can write logic here. Okay. So let us see if we are able to see the command here. One last step. I'm in my activity. Let me open sales order again. If you see, I created a new command which is now available, process order.
Can you write some command for open the other session?
Okay. If we so we need to do that through start session. Let me try that. So if I go to form command, if I say add, if I say I want to open a session, I give a, let's open part code, okay? The session that we have created. TRN 3501. This was your session, right?
TX right?
Oh, okay. TX and find. Yeah, part master. So command type will be form. Finish. So just the label description has already appeared. Now let's try how this looks. Okay, I'm saving this. Let's go back to session and reopen this session. If you see, I see 2 commands now, process order and part master. I'll click part master. It will open part master for me. All right.
Yeah.
So that's how this is done. We can open a session from here. But in my opinion, whenever you're trying to do a customization, I think you cannot open a standard session. as far as I know. It is not allowed to open a session apart from TX.
Okay.
Now this was a TX session which we could open. All right. So this is some additional programming that's supported in LN. There is much more that is supported, but of course, all of that cannot be covered in few hours. So here are some logical steps for you whenever you get time. Part master we have completed. I request you to complete all because we will be using this session further for printing report, a new report. Okay.
Mm.
So that's it for today. From Monday, we will start extensions. Okay. Any questions? Yeah.
Extension and DLL is the same or it's not the same?
DLL is different. So
Different.
extension means what? Right now, what we saw creation of new components, correct? Or modification of new components, correct?
Mm.
Do you agree? Now, what is extension? If you want to modify anything in standard component,
Okay.
yeah, that is extension.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask you one quick question. Can we attach the DLL?
DLL where?
DLL. Okay. We can have the global functionality in DLL, right? So in the programming, we can attach the DLL. So I would like to see how you can attach the DLL to the LN
No,
Studio.
no. Attaching DLL to LN Studio?
Yes.
No, I.
You don't.
โอเค I will the expand to คุณสกลพี่ตัวครับ DLL มันเหมือนเป็น global function ที่เราเขียนขึ้นมาแล้วแบบให้แบบคนอื่นเรียกใช้งานฟังก์ชันที่เราเขียนแค่นั้นเองพี่ตัว
ใช่แต่มันต้อง import เข้ามาก่อนไงขั้นตอนการ import เข้ามา
ไม่ต้อง import ครับพี่ตัวเราต้องสร้าง DLL เอง import ไม่ได้
สร้าง DLL ใน LN Studio ใช่ไหม
ใช่ครับพี่ตัวคือตัว
ไม่เป็นไรท้ายพี่อยากรู้ไงว่า DLL สร้างที่ไหนไงแล้วจะมาใช้
เป็น Studio ครับพี่ตัวเราเหมือนต้องเขียนเอง
ก็นั่นแหละพี่ยังถามว่าเขาจะมีเซสชันนี้เปล่า
เขาสอนไปแล้วเมื่อตอนเช้าพี่ตัว
เอาตอนเช้าเหรอ
ใช่มันเป็นเหมือนเขียนฟังก์ชันโดยตามปกติอ่ะพี่ตัวเขียนฟังก์ชันปุ๊บอ่ะมันเหมือนจะผูกกับเซสชันนั้นๆใช่ไหมพี่ตัวมันจะผูกกันแต่ DLL ก็คือว่า create global function ไว้แล้วกันแล้วใครจะมาเรียกใช้ก็ได้แค่นั้นเองครับสอนเวลาพี่ตัวไม่ยากอันนี้
งั้นเดี๋ยวพี่ไปดูย้อน
โอเค
Okay then I think it's fine
Okay, all right. So I'll see you all on Monday. Try to finish the activities. And if you want, I will just undo this component so that you can go ahead and make your changes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
บ๊ายบายพี่เจ
Bye-bye.
งั้นเดี๋ยวพี่stop recording นะ Delete meeting นะครับบ๊ายบาย